Top 6 best foods to repair muscles fast. I'm about to tell you something that could completely change the way your muscles recover after every workout. And most people never pay attention to this. Because here's the truth. Your muscles don't actually grow while you're training. They grow afterwards when you recover. And what you eat in that recovery window decides one thing, whether you stay sore for days or come back stronger in hours. Most people think muscle recovery is only about protein shakes or supplements. But the real secret is simple. Everyday foods that your body can actually use to rebuild muscle fibers, restore energy, and reduce inflammation naturally. By the end of this, you'll know the top 6 best foods to repair muscles fast. The same kind of foods athletes rely on to recover quicker and perform better. Number 1. Lean beef. Lean beef is one of the most effective whole foods for muscle repair because it delivers a dense combination of high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and naturally occurring creatine that directly supports muscle recovery after intense training. When you exercise, especially during resistance training or heavy workouts, your muscle fibers develop tiny micro tears. The body responds by repairing these fibers, and this repair process is what leads to muscle growth and increased strength over time. Lean beef provides all the essential amino acids needed for this rebuilding process, making it highly efficient for post-workout recovery. Compared to many other protein sources, it has a complete amino acid profile that closely matches what the human body requires for muscle protein synthesis. Another important factor is its iron content, particularly heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to plant-based iron. Iron plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen through the blood to working muscles, which helps reduce fatigue and improves endurance during both workouts and recovery periods. Lean beef also contains zinc, a mineral that supports immune function and plays a direct role in tissue repair and protein synthesis. In addition, the natural creatine found in beef helps replenish fat stores in muscles, which are the primary energy source used during short bursts of intense activity like lifting weights or sprinting. The protein density in lean beef makes it especially useful for individuals aiming to build or maintain muscle mass without consuming excessive fat. It helps create a strong anabolic environment in the body, particularly when consumed after training, when muscles are most responsive to nutrients. Regular inclusion of lean beef in a balanced diet can support consistent recovery, reduce muscle breakdown, and maintain strength levels during progressive training programs. Cooking methods also influence its benefits, with grilling or boiling being more supportive of keeping it lean and digestible, while pairing it with nutrient-rich vegetables can further enhance overall recovery efficiency in the body as digestion, absorption, and muscle rebuilding processes continue working together efficiently. Number 2. Turkey. Turkey is one of the most efficient lean protein sources for muscle repair because it provides a high concentration of easily digestible protein along with essential amino acids that directly support muscle fiber rebuilding after intense physical activity. When you train, your muscle tissues undergo stress and microscopic damage, and the recovery phase depends heavily on how quickly and effectively your body receives amino acids to repair those fibers. Turkey supplies these building blocks in a clean, low-fat form, making it ideal for post-workout nutrition when the body is most sensitive to nutrient absorption. This means the protein from turkey is quickly broken down and used for muscle protein synthesis, which helps speed up recovery and reduce soreness. Another key advantage of turkey is its high content of tryptophan and B vitamins, especially B6 and niacin, which play an important role in energy metabolism and muscle recovery. Vitamin B6 helps in the breakdown and utilization of protein, ensuring that the amino acids from turkey are efficiently used to rebuild muscle tissue rather than being wasted. Niacin supports blood flow and energy production, which helps deliver nutrients and oxygen to recovering muscles more effectively. This combination makes turkey not only a protein-rich food, but also a metabolic enhancer for recovery. Turkey is also naturally low in saturated fat, which means it does not slow down digestion or place extra strain on the body after exercise. This allows faster nutrient delivery to muscles during the critical recovery window. Additionally, it contains minerals like selenium and phosphorus, which support immune function and bone health, both of which are important when training regularly and placing repeated stress on the body. Regular consumption of turkey in meals such as grilled slices, wraps, or salads helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids throughout the day, reducing muscle breakdown and supporting continuous repair and growth processes that keep strength and performance improving over time. Number 3, tuna. Tuna is one of the most powerful and efficient foods for muscle recovery because it delivers a high dose of complete protein along with essential omega-3 fatty acids that directly support muscle repair and reduce exercise-induced inflammation. After an intense workout, muscle fibers experience microscopic damage, and the body requires fast-absorbing amino acids to rebuild them stronger. Tuna provides these amino acids in a highly bioavailable form, which means the body can quickly digest and use them for muscle protein synthesis, making it especially valuable in the post-workout recovery phase when nutrient demand is at its highest. This rapid absorption helps reduce muscle breakdown and accelerates the rebuilding process, allowing athletes and fitness enthusiasts to recover faster and train more consistently. Another major benefit of tuna is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DA, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Exercise naturally causes temporary inflammation in muscles, which contributes to soreness and stiffness, and omega-3s help regulate this response, leading to faster recovery and improved muscle comfort. Tuna also contains important micronutrients like vitamin D and selenium, which support immune function, bone strength, and antioxidant protection, all of which are essential for people who train regularly and place repeated stress on their bodies. In addition, tuna is extremely low in fat and carbohydrates, making it a clean protein source that does not burden the digestive system after exercise. This allows nutrients to be delivered quickly to muscle tissues when they are most receptive. It also supports lean muscle development without unnecessary calorie overload, which is important for maintaining a balanced physique while building strength. Regular inclusion of tuna in meals such as salads, sandwiches, or rice bowls can help maintain a steady supply of high-quality protein, ensuring consistent muscle repair, reduced fatigue, and improved overall performance over time as the body continues adapting and strengthening through recovery cycles. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the most valuable plant-based foods for muscle repair because it is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own and must obtain from food. These amino acids are the foundation of muscle protein synthesis, which is the biological process responsible for repairing damaged muscle fibers after exercise and building new, stronger tissue over time. Unlike many plant foods that lack one or more essential amino acids, quinoa provides a balanced profile that closely supports the body's recovery needs, making it especially useful for people who follow vegetarian or mixed diets and still want efficient muscle recovery support. Another important benefit of quinoa is its rich carbohydrate content, which helps replenish glycogen stores in the muscles after physical activity. During exercise, the body uses glycogen as its primary fuel source, and once these stores are depleted, fatigue and reduced performance can occur. By restoring glycogen levels, quinoa helps bring energy back to the muscles, allowing faster recovery and better readiness for the next workout session. This combination of protein and complex carbohydrates makes quinoa a dual-function recovery food that supports both energy restoration and muscle rebuilding. Simultaneously, quinoa also contains significant amounts of magnesium, iron, and manganese, all of which contribute to muscle function and recovery. Magnesium helps relax muscles and prevent cramps. Iron supports oxygen transport to active tissues, and manganese plays a role in enzyme activity involved in metabolism and tissue repair. Additionally, quinoa is naturally gluten-free and easy to digest, which makes it suitable for individuals with sensitive stomachs or dietary restrictions. Its light texture and versatility allow it to be easily added to salads, bowls, or side dishes, ensuring consistent nutrient intake that supports steady muscle repair, reduced soreness, and improved recovery efficiency after training sessions over time, as the body adapts and strengthens through repeated physical stress and nutritional support. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the most effective carbohydrate-rich foods for muscle recovery because they help restore glycogen levels that get depleted during intense physical training. When you exercise, your muscles rely heavily on glycogen as their main energy source, and once these stores are low, fatigue, weakness, and delayed recovery can occur. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that are slowly digested, allowing a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, which helps refill muscle energy stores efficiently and supports sustained recovery after workouts, rather than causing sudden spikes and crashes in energy levels. Another key benefit of sweet potatoes is their rich potassium content, which plays a major role in muscle function, fluid balance, and prevention of cramps. During exercise, the body loses electrolytes through sweat, and an imbalance can lead to muscle tightness and soreness. Potassium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, ensuring smoother recovery and reducing post-exercise discomfort. This makes sweet potatoes especially useful for athletes or individuals engaging in high-intensity training who experience frequent muscle fatigue or cramping. Sweet potatoes are also packed with antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help reduce inflammation caused by exercise-induced muscle damage. Inflammation is a natural part of the recovery process, but excessive inflammation can slow healing and increase soreness. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes help neutralize oxidative stress, allowing muscles to recover more efficiently and comfortably. Additionally, they support immune function, which is important when the body is under physical stress from regular training. Their natural fiber content also supports healthy digestion, ensuring that nutrients from other muscle-building foods are absorbed more effectively. Sweet potatoes are easy to prepare and can be included in multiple forms such as baked, boiled, or mashed, making them a versatile and accessible recovery food that consistently supports energy restoration, muscle repair, and overall physical performance improvement over time, as the body continues adapting to training demands and nutritional support is maintained regularly for optimal results. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most underrated yet highly effective foods for muscle recovery because it is packed with essential nutrients that directly support muscle function, oxygen delivery, and post-exercise repair processes. When you train intensely, your muscles require a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to recover properly. And spinach helps support this demand through its high iron content, particularly non-heme iron that plays a key role in the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen throughout the body. Better oxygen delivery means muscles recover more efficiently, experience less fatigue, and are able to perform better in subsequent workouts. Another important nutrient in spinach is magnesium, which is crucial for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and energy production. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents cramps, stiffness, and tightness that often occur after heavy exercise. It also supports AMP production, which is the primary energy currency of the body, ensuring that muscles have the energy required for repair and growth during recovery phases. Without adequate magnesium, recovery can slow down, and muscle soreness can become more intense. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and various plant compounds that help reduce oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. Exercise naturally produces free radicals, which can damage muscle cells if not properly controlled, and antioxidants help neutralize these harmful molecules, allowing the body to repair tissues more effectively and reduce inflammation. This leads to faster recovery times and improved muscle comfort after workouts. Additionally, spinach contains nitrates that help improve blood flow and circulation, allowing nutrients and oxygen to reach muscle tissues more efficiently during recovery. It is also low in calories, but nutrient-dense, making it ideal for supporting muscle repair without adding unnecessary weight. Regular inclusion of spinach in meals such as salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes helps maintain consistent nutrient intake, supporting long-term muscle health, reduced soreness, and improved physical performance as the body continues adapting to training stress and recovery demands over time.